Birds. Written by Cliff Brown. Illustrated by Nora Pena. A hummingbird. Hummingbird. An owl. Owl. A crane. Crane. A sparrow. Sparrow. A flamingo. Flamingo. A gull. Gull. A parrot. Parrot. A hornbill. Hornbill.
A dove. Written by Katie Stanley. Illustrated by June Julie. A dove flies in the sky. It flies to where it makes a nest.
Dove. Dove.
A dove lays one egg in her nest.
Nest. Dove. Nest.
A dove feeds its baby chicks lots of food. The baby chicks grow. They learn to fly. A dove feeds its baby chicks lots of food. The baby chicks grow. They learn to fly.
Dove.
A dove eats lots of grain.
Grain. Grain. Dove. Dove.
A dove feeds its baby chicks lots of food. The baby chicks grow. They learn to fly. A dove eats lots of grain. Two doves like to live together.
Dove.
A dove carries a letter to its owner. A dove is a sign of peace. Lucy and the Frog. Written by Allie Bank, illustrated by Nora Pena. Lucy sees a frog.
Frog. Lucy. Barrel. Trough. Wheelbarrow. Trough. Wheelbarrow. Frog. Barrel. Lucy.
The frog jumps on a rock.
Rock. Frog jumps. Frog jumps. Rock. Rock.
So does Lucy.
Frog. Lucy jumps. Rock. Lucy jumps. Rock. Frog.
The frog jumps on a log.
Log. Frog jumps.
So does Lucy.
Frog. Rock. Log. Lucy jumps.
The frog jumps on a lotus leaf.
Lotus leaf. Frog jumps. Lotus leaf. Lotus leaf. Lotus leaf.
So does Lucy.
Lotus leaf. Lotus leaf.
Uh-oh, Lucy is all wet. Meow, meow.
Pond. Lotus leaf. Wet Lucy. Lotus leaf. Pond.
Hãy đăng ký và bấm chuông để nhận những video mới nhất từ Kiwi. Đừng quên like và share để mọi người cùng nhau học tập nhé.